Welcome to CFP. My name is Sami Dabour, a management consultant with several years of experience across several regions, industries, and clients. I'm excited to join you on this journey to becoming a consultant and look forward to sharing my insights with you. The consultant mindset is essential for anyone who wants to be a successful consultant. It is also a mindset for anyone who wants to be successful in any field. This program will give you the skills and knowledge you need to adopt the consultant mindset and be successful in your career. Throughout this program, we will teach you how to adopt the mindset of the consultant. You will learn how to be objective, solution-oriented, and client-focused. You will also learn how to ask the right questions, tell your stories, and build your team. We look forward to embarking on this journey with you and help you achieve your goals in the world of consulting. So let's get started.